Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am sharing 7 unique essential oil recipes for autumn wellness. Before we get started, 2 things. 1, all of these recipes are linked in my blog post that goes with this video, which will just be right under this video so that you can see, because I'll just talk through them, but for a recipe, you want to have it and screenshot and whatever. So make sure you click through to the blog post to see the recipes. And number 2, I just switched all of my essential oil guides from Stan Store, which was the old platform that I was using, to Etsy, which is kind of exciting because I used to be an Etsy seller a couple of years ago. Before we moved, I did essential oil jewelry, ring stacks and all kinds of things, but now it's all digital guides. A really cool aromatherapy journal, so you can journal everything that you're using and feeling and all of the things with essential oils, recipes, and then there's an inventory list and a wish list and all kinds of templates there. And then there's also a planner which has an essential oil tip for every single day of the year, plus monthly and seasonal recipes, tips. It's like loaded with so much goodness. Anyways, I wanted to cover those 2 things first. Let's talk about 7 different ways to use essential oils for autumn or fall wellness. So number 1 is immune boosting fall diffuser blend. There are studies done on how diffusing essential oils can help with germs in the air. And so this type of oil blend specifically, this is the Immunity Boost by Revive. If you have Thieves, that I think is what the study has done, or at least the essential oils that were in Thieves, which is the same as this. But most essential oil companies will have an immune boosting blend of some sort. So this is a blend of clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. Any essential oils along those lines. Also frankincense, clove, orange, cinnamon bark. That is the recipe. Create your own diffuser blend in this blog post. Those types of oils, tea tree is also super powerful in this way, but doesn't just smell the best. And so you kind of that if you want it to smell good. But this one smells good and works and is so powerful. So Immunity Boost blends. Air will help with germs in the air. You can use in so many ways. If you're using it topically, make sure you dilute on the skin. But there's tons of benefits because all of those oils in there are super powerful. Number 2 is a spiced apple pie room spray, and this is a recipe that's in the blog post, but I also have a few different options if you aren't into making your own blends and just want to buy something pre-made. This one is Grandma's Pie from Revive. It is a big blend: cinnamon, Roman chamomile, cassia, lemongrass, bergamot, grapefruit, Peru balsam, and nutmeg. But it smells so good. I don't know how they blended this together to smell like an apple pie, but it smells like an apple pie baking in the oven. And it smells good. I will be diffusing this. I haven't yet because it's been up on my shelf, but I need to bring it down and diffuse it. It smells amazing. Coffee crumb cake. This one I made a room spray with already and have been diffusing. This is from Eden's Garden. Their blends are oh my gosh, I want to say the best, like the synergies. The way that they blend their essential oils is like top-notch. Tangerine, cinnamon, mandarin, coconut, vanilla, nutmeg, and octa tea. If you are looking at essentials to replace candles or to replace like scents like Febreze sprays and like Glade plugins, wallflowers, all of those, Eden's Garden blends are the way to go by a long shot. I don't know what it is. They use a lot of the CO2s, so like coconut and coffee, those are all CO2s. They're just a little bit different and set them apart. But anyways, I could spend all day on this topic, I guess. And then Autumn Breeze from Eden's Garden is also just such a great blend. It's sweet and citrusy. This one is a huge blend too. Orange, vanilla, cedarwood. It's really hard to read. Copaiba, chamomile, carrot, seed oil, German chamomile, blue tansy, and I probably missed a couple, but this one's like citrusy, but also like inviting too. So anyways, make sure guys that you are not burning toxic candles. I know not all candles are toxic, but a lot of them are. All artificial fragrance things, which this is the season where we're more into that. Like for winter, we want our house to smell good and warm and inviting, and so this is when resort to diffusing more and making more room sprays and just wanting the house to smell extra good. Number 3 is Fall Focus Roll-On Blend. So it's super dark outside when you wake up, and it's really dark when you try. I try to sit down and work in the evening, and it gets so dark, and so I'm definitely in need of a focus. This one is a roll-on blend, but I have been using my inhaler, which I also have a recipe for too in this post. But these types of oils, so think peppermint, rosemary, lemon, cedarwood, chamomile, vetiver. There are so many different essential oils. This is a blend of, I think, vetiver and lavender. But just helps so much. And whether it's a roll-on, an inhaler, whatever you like to use, whatever works best for you, these oils are going to be just to help you focus. I know I just, for whatever reason it is, just lack focus when I need it the most in the fall and winter. Number 4 is Autumn Glow Skin Serum. So this is a blend of whatever carrier oil that is best for your skin, and that will be in the blog post. And then frankincense, geranium, and lavender. So you're kind of up a little skin potion and putting it in like a bottle like this. This is just a dropper bottle. Whatever kind of container you want. Make sure you're storing it out of sunlight. And this just kind of boosts like the joy and motivation in doing my skincare, because it's something that I love and it smells so good. And all of these have so many different good benefits for your skin. So number 5 is Relaxing Autumn Bath Soak, and this one is great. Baths are super beneficial in so many ways. When you're soaking in an Epsom salt bath, it's going to help with muscles and all of that, but also the aromatic benefits are just kind of effects. So lavender, bergamot, sweet orange is the recipe for this. You're going to make sure that you dilute the essential oils before you put them into your Epsom salts or whatever you're putting, a milk or whatever, and then putting it into your bath. So don't just put essential oils directly on the top of your bath water. The blend is kind of like a happy, relaxing blend. The orange, citrusy, and lavender is both relaxing but also uplifting mood, if that makes sense. Number 6 is Autumn Energy Booster Inhaler. So this one is going to be similar to the Focus ones, but this one is peppermint, lemon, and eucalyptus. So these are more invigorating oils, kind of wake you up, where the ones that I shared in number, whatever that was, number 3, are going to be oils that help you focus. These are just like to wake you up. So again, you can use this in the morning, afternoon, at night, whenever you need, like a pick me up. Peppermint, lemon, eucalyptus, you can add them to an inhaler like this. This is super easy to make. These ones are from Revive, but these are on Amazon. Plant Therapy has them, but I do suggest using these aluminum ones. So you just take off silver part or pop it out, and there's a little glass vial with a wick in it. So you just drop your essential oils into here. The wick soaks it up, and I've had this one I think for over a week now, maybe 7 to 10 days, and it's still going strong. So they'll last quite a while. And then to use it, you just pop it all back together and then just breathe through these little holes. And you can use it for so many different things, right? So anything mental, you need to wake up, you need to focus, you're sad, you need whatever it may be. You can customize these to whatever you need, and that's why I love and always suggest inhalers, because they're super effective. Inhalation of essential oils, super powerful and super effective for so many different things. Comfort Diffuser Blend. This is the last one, number 7. When you're setting the fire or just creating like a cozy game night, whatever it may be, put the Christmas tree even, this is a good blend. So it's cinnamon, vanilla, cedarwood, and sandalwood, kind of that warm and spicy, just like cozy up and be in a good fall. Perfect for a relaxing, chilly fall night in. And just is so much better than burning a candle that's going to be toxic, or those Glade plugins that we all know are not great for us. Okay, so that is it for the 7. Let me know if you have any questions or additions to my list. Autumn, fall is just such a great time to use those warm and spicy, homey essential oils. I spent so much time updating my Etsy shop, so please go check it out and let me know what you want me to add to the Etsy shop. Any templates or planners or any type of essential oil documents or PDFs that you would like. All of them are also you print or use as a digital like planner. So on my iPad, I have them in my GoodNotes app, and I can use them like that, and it's super easy. But let me know if you have any questions or suggestions, and thank you guys so much for watching to the end. I hope you have a great day. Bye.